Here's how to add wishlist to WooCommerce, and honestly, it's way easier than most people think. Jump into your WordPress dashboard, go to Plugins, hit Add New, and search for YITH WooCommerce Wishlist. You'll see it pop up right away. Install it, activate it, and you're basically halfway done already. Now here's where most people get confused because they think it's ready to go, but you actually need to tweak a few settings first. Look for YITH in your sidebar and click on Wishlist underneath it. The first thing you want to do is make sure that AJAX Loading thing is turned on. What this does is let people add stuff to their wish list without the whole page refreshing, which honestly just looks more professional. The next part is where you decide how you want the wish list to actually show up on your product pages. By default, it just shows this boring text link that nobody really notices. Switch it to the button option instead, because buttons get way more clicks than plain text links. Where you put this button matters too. I always recommend putting it right after the add to cart button, because that's where people expect to find it. Think about it. Someone's looking at a product, they either want to buy it now or save it for later. Both options should be right there together. The plugin automatically creates a wishlist page for you, which is pretty convenient. You can customize what shows up there, but honestly, the default settings work fine for most stores. It shows the price and whether something's in stock, which is really all people care about when they're reviewing their saved items. Go to any product page on your site and click that wishlist button you just set up. It should change to show that it worked, and then you can check the actual wishlist page to see if the product shows up there. The wishlist page usually gets added to your main menu automatically, but if not, you can always just type your site.com/wishlist to get there directly. Once you see your test product sitting there in the list, you know everything's working the way it should. That's really all there is to it.